Hi everybody, today we are doing Dress to Ingest. It's our series about restaurateurs and food and restaurants, and also about just trying to revive the tradition of dressing well as you eat. I'm joined today by Alan Lowe, one of my favorite restaurateurs in the world.
Thank you, thanks for having me.
No, thank you for having us in your home. We are looking at something interesting today, right? Like you have this great restaurant, Duecento Otto, which I believe is one of your first projects, is that correct?
Yes, back in 2010,
Okay.
exactly 10 years ago.
Damn, all right.
An Italian restaurant on the kind of the western tip of Hollywood Road, which has a lot of history, and we were also quite happy to be collaborating with Autobahn from Istanbul to design this space.
It's an amazing space.
Thank you.
And then, obviously these days, like going to the restaurant is not as easy as it used to be. So you kind of want to try and bring that restaurant experience back home, which is a little bit of the genesis of this product, right? Because this product is from the spinoff of Duecento Otto.
Yes, 208 Deli,
Okay.
which is available through our Ja Everywhere platform, online and WhatsApp as well.
Okay. Cool. And we are looking at a homemade pasta kit, right?
We are.
So the pasta is made in the restaurant? every
Fresh
day?
pastas.
Okay.
This is a Kitterini. Also have a range of other pastas like pappardelle and tagliatelle, and you're looking at a prawn and clam sauce, and I believe we'll also give our sausage sauce a try later, and a few other like different sauces. So mix and match.
All right. So we're going to attempt to cook this, and I'm sure it'll go very smoothly.
Yes.
And then we'll talk a little bit more about this when we're done.
Let's go to the kitchen.
All right. All right, time to make some pasta. So let's have a look at what we have on the counter right now. We have the two pastas from 208 Deli. We have the sauces as well. We have a little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil, and at Alan's suggestion, a little bit of Parmesan cheese as well. I have been equipped with this spoon. This is the limit of my responsibility. I'm basically just to take some of that salt and put it in some of that hot water, and Alan's gonna do everything else. You were mentioning earlier pasta water. You never throw away pasta water, right?
Yeah, I mean something I learned in recent years. You somehow that's kind of the secret behind having the perfect consistency with pasta sauces, because oftentimes they tend to be either too dry or too watery, and somehow I guess because of the flour, it just the starchiness. I think it sort of just helps. Kind of bringing everything together. Yeah.
Should we do anything with the meat
yes.
sauces?
So we should.
Okay, so you wanted this one, right? The sausage sauce.
What do you think? You choose.
I love the idea of this. I'm more into this than seafood.
Okay.
A little bit of olive oil in this first, right?
I would.
Okay.
So a splash.
How do I know when the olive oil is hot enough?
See, when you see smoke, it means it's hot.
All right.
Yeah, you're doing very well.
Thank you. I'm really good at pushing sauce out of a bag.
Yeah. Okay, maybe you can do it a little faster.
I'm trying, dude.
Yeah.
I'm trying. Oh, it does smell really good, though. And Alan, you were mentioning you do enjoy cooking. Like you cook when you can.
I'm very disorganized, but I find it very therapeutic. And just a touch of cheese.
So Alan, this pasta is great. I am super duper enjoying this, if that's even a phrase or idiom or whatever. How do you feel about this?
I like it. I mean, I always feel it's actually I think over the past year, the whole pandemic situation is so disruptive. Mm-hmm. It's actually really nice to spend time at home with family and doing a bit of cooking, and
and kind of like seeing only like your closest friends. It's been good.
Yeah, I agree with that. That part has definitely been an
Yeah.
unexpected silver lining.
Yeah, and obviously, like Chinese food, Italian food is it's about family as well. It's about sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's funny, this is like very suitable actually for being distributed this way. You have like freshly made pasta that keeps fine, and then you cook it and you eat it immediately afterwards. It's really makes a huge difference. I mean, this is a world apart from like delivery pasta.
Yeah, because I mean, al dente is such a thing for Italian pasta, so it's so important to make sure when you eat it, you have to eat it immediately. There's no other way.
But it was so quick. I was
Yeah.
surprised how quick it was.
Took like 3 minutes.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Amazing. Alrighty. And a couple things you'd pair with this, like in terms of like wine or like other dishes.
Keep it simple. I mean, I guess you can start off with some burratas and prosciutto, simple rocket salad, and then maybe finish off with tiramisu to share.
Nice. Wine-wise, what would you suggest?
Probably a white to start, like a Friuli or maybe like a Sicilian white, and then something a little bit more like a medium to full body Tuscan, or something from northern Italy. Yeah.
Nice, man. Alrighty. Well, listen, thanks for having us over for lunch at your place.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, this is a pleasure. Man, the food's so good. I gotta get some of this for my house later on.
Yes.
And good luck with your meetings this afternoon. We wrap this up so fast.
Yes,
You have your
I know.
whole day free.
Yes.
Alrighty, everybody. Thank you for watching. This has been 208 Deli's pasta kit. I suppose we can call it that.
Yes.
And we hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.